Hello kids. Kids, we will trace A, B, C, D, E. Kids, let's learn colors name. Blue, pink, sky blue, red, brown, green, black, yellow, pink, light green, orange and violet color. Green color A, B, C, D, E, F, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Kids, read again. A for apple. B for bat. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jaguar. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for octopus. Kids, if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.